Okay, first thing we do is we engage the half nut lever so it's engaged, and we take these screws out, each end, pillow block, one, just put that there for now. Engaging the half nut lever keeps the shaft in place, stops it falling. One, and this one. Now you can release the lever and it should just drop out. That block off. That one there. Put that face down. Now I can remove the shaft, and I'll put this pillow block in the way it came out temporarily using the screws so they don't go anywhere. And in the correct orientation it came off. Okay. This one, we won't leave that, we'll just leave that as it is and put that away safely. Now we have to remove the motor mount nuts, which are these two here. Looks like a 10mm socket spanner will do the trick. So we'll remove those with this small socket spanner. Need to have an Allen key inside. Just come with the nuts. Belt and take the motor out, which we've done. I'll just check to see if those Allen keys, set screws of, or studs, whatever you like to call them, have come loose or not with an Allen key, just to make sure they've moved out or not. Seem pretty tight. It's tight. It's tight. So they hadn't moved. So I guess the idea is when you put the nuts back on, is you hold them steady with the Allen key wrench. Okay, taking the motor off now. Okay, we can now take the belt off. I noticed that it had been rubbing the edge of the block, which means that the alignment of the motor wasn't quite right on this particular machine. I'll put the belt over with the motor. Okay, we're ready to take the spindle housing off now, using the couple of Allen keys under there. It's too small. Nice and tight, aren't they? Okay, put it on its side so it's a bit easier. That's it. One. One. There's one on the other side. We do this without the tray on the bottom. Remember to go the right way. Help. Okay. We'll just sit on top of the tools there. That's it, it's taken off. Bit of rust here, so I'll give that a bit of a clean before I put the new one on. Clean out any muck in the track. So I've put the new spindle housing on, and we now put some bolts in. Start with the two front ones and then the back one. When I put the new housing on, it appeared to be a gap under here. I thought the V on that was different shape to the V on the original. When I put the original back, it was the same gap. There's a little bit of metal under there, a foot, that leaves a little gap under here. So they seem to be. It seems to be okay to go ahead and fit this. I was a bit worried I might have to machine the V out a bit more.